Have you ever wanted to own real estate, but the price tag kept you on the sidelines? That's why Realbricks exists. Realbricks is a fractional real estate investing platform. Instead of buying a whole house, you buy shares in an offering that holds a brand new, single family rental home. Each share is $10, and you can start with as little as $100, equating to 10 shares. You can add to your position whenever you like, and there's never a required monthly commitment. All of the homes on the Realbricks platform are brand new construction, new appliances, smart home technology, and a 1-year builder warranty. All of the information about each home, the location, square footage, the home's construction or rental status, lives on the Realbricks app, available on iOS and Android. Your shares represent your slice of the equity in that offering, proportional to what you invest. Folks invest in real estate because it's a slower moving, long-term asset class. With Realbricks, you don't need a traditional 20% down payment. You can invest with as little as $100. Explore the homes at realbricks.com, but before you invest, make sure to read the offering circular linked in the footer. Realbricks, real property investment, one brick at a time.